Hi everyone, our next problem is minimum sum of mountain triplets 1 on leetcode platform. As you can see that this is description of our question, and let us see what is the input and what we need to find. As you can see that you have given an array nums which is based upon 0 index, and here we need to find the triplet. That means we need to find the three elements in the nums array where index is I, j, k is a mountain if I less than j and I, j less than k. That means indexes should be like this, and but value should be like this is the values condition: nums of I less than nums of j and nums of k less than nums of j. That means as you can see the input sample example, right? Let us see what is the main use. uh, as you can see sample example, right? Nums is 86153. Here we need to find triplet where which satisfies this condition. At the same time we need to return only one value, that is minimum sum of the triplet. As you can see, right? For suppose we can make triplets like 861 is one triplet, 865 is one triplet, 863 is one triplet, 615 is one triplet. Like this we can make many triplets, but here we need to satisfy this condition which is satisfy. When you analyze this problem, you will get triplet of 2 3 4, right? This is like syntax. We need to take syntax values. Syntax of starts with 0, right? They already mentioned. So as you can see that this is the given this is these three elements satisfies the given condition. So 153, here you can see that it is in indexes are in increasing order. At the same time value should be middle one should be highest. Why? Because in simple way we can say that mountain should be like opposite way, right? So first value should be minimum and second value should be maximum and third value should be lesser than previous one. So we need to find the number of pairs which satisfy. We need to find the all the pairs, and we need to find the sum of that pairs, and we need to return minimum of that. So 2 less than 3, 3 less than 4. That means here we are checking the index condition, and in next line we are checking the numbers condition. That means elements condition. 1 less than 5 and 3 less than 5. Yes, it's satisfying. So the count of this, the sum of these three elements is 9. And you can find one more if you find one more triplet, if for suppose that triplet containing some 20 value, sum is 20 value, then in that we need to compare which is minimum value. So 9 is minimum value, so we are returning 9. Anyway, it is not having any another pairs. As you can see that this is the next question having 13 as a triplet. Why? Because you can check it 135 triplet. That you need to keep in mind that they cannot be in order, they can be in any way, but I less than j, j less than k should be satisfied. Based upon the two conditions only you can take anyway. And my question, and this is my answer which satisfying all the condition. As you can see that when I submit it, it is accepted. Let us see what I have taken. Here you can see that constraints has given lengths of 50 and nums also 50. So here we can write any time complexity. That means which here you can see that I have written 3 for loops to take values of I, j, k. As you can see that first in n I have taken I have initialized one more variable, that is n, to store the length of nums, and I have taken one more list to store the sum of each and every triplet when to store the sum of each and every triplet. Okay, and next line is I have taken three for loops. First for loop is for I have taken n minus 1. Next one is for j in range of, and as we know that j should be greater than I, so I plus 1 I have taken, and in next line I have taken k for k in range of j plus 1 and n. Here you can see that I have taken minus 1 and minus 2 n. Why? Because it should be mountain, right? So that I have taken like this, because as you can see that with the two elements I can't find mountain, even with one element also I can't find mountain, so I have removed that last two elements. Here you can see that I have mentioned condition whatever question in question. I have mentioned here condition whatever in question is mentioned. So if that condition is true, I am appending triplet sum into our empty list. Okay, and then in next line I have find it minimum of c. If that means here we need to check one more condition also. They have mentioned return the minimum possible sum of a mountain triplet of nums. If no such triplet exists, then we need to return minus 1. So here I am checking one more condition also, whether our question contains any triplet or not. If triplets are there, then I am returning my returning minimum of c. If there is no triplets, then return minus 1. As you can see that I have run this program. As you can see that finish, and I'm submitted also. As you can see that it has been accepted. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.